ugly stock. The new. Remember that time when we spray painted Kaylee? Bro, remember that time when we spray painted Kaylee's grill and bumper? Well, Missouri had a different plan for us, so when we went down to Arkansas to sell my 30s, we drove through a hailstorm and kind of messed everything up. So we got this. Hey, look, wheels. Fancy wheels. Fancy wheels. Not as fancy as mine. Yeah. Hey.
Protein.
I need a flathead. Because I said so. I'm filming.
That's mine, you know. Which, according to TikTok, the lariat is the worst.
Wait, what'd they say?
They said the lariat, well, okay, it was about my 6.0, and they said that the 6.0 is the worst engine after the lariat.
It goes 6.4s, lariats, 6.0s.
Yeah.
Didn't know that they...
Did you know the King Ranch is the worst engine?
Oh, King Ranch is the worst engine?
Oh, yeah.
Oh my god.
It's the worst one.
Of course it is.
Can't forget about the...
Need an emblem.
What about, these?
See about that. I think my grandpa's truck is about to break the gram.
Oh, yeah.
Oh my gosh. Careful, SpongeBob. Wait. Clean. Alright. Careful, SpongeBob. Careful. Wait. That ain't going anywhere.
You got it dirty.
Certified, professionally installed. That was an XJ. Ugh. Oh, I just offended so many people. I'm sorry.
I wanted a black one.
Well, the black one's on there. Hang on, let's see. This one's got a little chippage.
Chippage?
Probably because of the hailstorm.
Yeah.
So we are going to
just get a new one. Pink! Let's get pink.
Oh yeah. To match the suspension frame. Frame off, full frame off. Powder coated frame.
Yep.
Yeah. One day. We have to move. I got these Harley Davidson headlights. To swap out these. I actually don't know the brand. Halo headlights.
You guys text me all the time and ask me like the brand and I am always just like, no, they suck. So I don't want to come off rude, but I'm not like gatekeeping these headlights. They're just terrible. I hate them.
So we got these Harley Davidson headlights. I got LED bulbs, and I have to get a socket to swap these over. So we'll do this later. It ain't 116 inches wide, but it's pretty thick. And I definitely like the Harley Davidson grill over the black one that we had. It held up pretty good, but I don't think anything's gonna really hold up to hailstorms. Wait, what the heck? know you guys don't want to watch no boring headlight install video. So real quick, we're going to get these halos swapped over to the Harley Davidson headlights right after I clean them. Yeah, I think that'll work. Clean and simple. Except for the bumper. That's still chipped up. But I 100% like the Harley Davidson headlights more than these Halo headlights. If you're thinking about getting these,
stop it. Get some help.
And now I got the bumper professionally painted. Professionally painted bump. It looks great. Nice people to do business with. Gabe Farrell Productions. My grandpa got wheels. This is my grandpa's 2015 F350. 6.7 power stroke, twin turbo, compound turbo, diesel, 1,000 horsepower. It doesn't. It's actually pretty stock, but it is faster than my truck. We got some 20-inch fuel wheels. Funny story about these. My 2005 F350 used to have this exact same wheel and tire setup, and my grandpa's always wanted it for like a year now, so it's pretty cool that he finally got it. It looks pretty thick. If you come in closer, we did not put the leveling kit on because it looks cool the way it is, so we're just going to keep it stock. There we go. We're going to keep it stock height with 20-inch fuel wheels, 35 by 12.5 Nitto Terra grapplers or whatever. These ride really nice. He says it shakes, but I'm used to driving 46s. It's pretty damn smooth. Come to the back, it's pretty thickama. It's not like mine where a whole freaking wheel is sticking out. He doesn't have any spacers or anything like that because this is just a work truck, but the chrome looks really nice. We had a problem with lug nuts. The lug nuts they all broke. They all broke on the way to work one day, and the wheels almost fell off. But 3 weeks later, we finally got everything all together. It looks really nice. Hopefully he doesn't get pulled over for not having mud flaps. Epoxy. So like my truck, this truck is deleted and tuned. A lot of people are going to ask, where did I get this exhaust tip? Because I really like it. Everybody else seems to like it. Every time I post this truck, everybody's like, where did you get the exhaust tip? Funny story, I actually don't know where I got it. I bought it off eBay, I'm pretty sure. And the people that make it don't make it anymore. I can't find it anywhere. So don't be in the comments being like, where'd you get it? Because I don't know. I mean, you can. It helps boost my algorithm. But I don't know. If anybody knows where to get these, please let me know. Because I want to buy like 17 more for all of my future trucks. Pretty sick. And hot. How many miles do you think this truck has?
About 50,000.
You think so? It looks really nice.
Yeah.
200K.
Pretty decent.
Cleaner than my truck. Thanks for watching and have a great Easter. Did we have Easter this year?
No.